Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from CVs to your Notion database. So to do that we're going to use Zapier, and in Zapier you can quickly set up a very simple Zap. So in our case let's choose Gmail and imagine that we receive our CVs by email to some mailbox, and the next step is to choose Bitskout as an application. Now, the trigger in our case will be new attachment, because the email usually with the CV comes with an attachment, and then the next step is to choose a Bitskout direct action called extract data from CV. And that's it. Your first few steps of the Zap is already done. So let's set them up. So first thing, you need to choose the account. Please make sure that you're using a business Gmail account. Google does not allow use of personal accounts. And here I will add a small filter because I'm using my personal mailbox. In your case that's not needed. So let's test it. Okay, so here is our CV. Let's take a little bit that I sent recently. So let's continue with this record. And the next step is to set up Bitskout, which basically consists of choosing your account and then running an action. Action is already extract data from CV, so what we need to do is we need to choose the attachment. In this case we choose attachment exists but not shown, because this is an actual file. So let's continue and let's see what we extract. Okay, so this is the data we extract. This is not everything that we can extract, so if you need something else, feel free to get in touch. And then next step is to create a Notion database item. Okay, so I have prepared here a small database called CVDB, and that's what we need to do. We need to create a database item, then choose an account, and then choose our database, which is very important, from the list. Okay, here it is. And then we just can add map directly the fields from Bitskout. I'm just gonna add a few fields, but yes, you can choose all of them. Okay, let's continue. Let's run a test. What will happen? The information will appear here. Okay, I did map all of them, but you probably got the idea. So, optionally, you can add another step, which will create a page in Notion with more details about the CV, and also you can add the CV as a file into the URL. Okay, add an extra column called file, and use this column to add the actual CV, the actual PDF. All right. So that's how you can create and automate CV extraction, which will save you a lot of time. Also, you can use this scenario to anonymize the CVs. Thanks a lot for your time.